Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. First, we open the side cover and remove it. We proceed to disconnect all the cables. We unscrew the board and take it out. Now, we place the new motherboard. We start connecting all the connections. We secure the motherboard with screws. We continue connecting the remaining cables. To connect the cables for the X-axis and Y-axis motors, we check the labels to know which one goes to X and which one to Y. Once everything is connected, we put the side cover back on and close it.